Hello friends, in this video I want to show you how to make different color pages in MS Word document. So friends, if you want to make your documents pages as different color, so there is very simple and easy method. Firstly, click on insert, in here click on shape and select this rectangle shape and draw here. So draw properly. Now press Ctrl D and move here. Press Ctrl D and move that shape. And adjust that shape properly. Now you need to change color one by one, like you can change all shape color. Now you need to right click on that shape and hover cursor to wrap text, and in here select behind text. Now you can adjust color and size, like white will work for in every color. So that's it friends. By this quick and easy method we can know how to make different color pages MS Word document. So hopefully friends you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.